Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting to you the Chandamama story. A tale from the Panchatantra. The tortoise in the sky. In a certain lake in a forest lived a tortoise who had a great deal of curiosity about the world. But a tortoise that he was, his desire to see the wide world got never fulfilled. Sometimes he would boast before the fish folk of the lake, "I am now starting on a pilgrimage to the holy city of Varanasi. I can't keep on gasping in this little lake forever, like you fellows." But he would have hardly approached the palm tree which overlooked the lake when the sun would go down, and he would make a hasty retreat to the lake. And before the fish folk, he would boast, "I had almost reached Varanasi. I could see the towers and temples on the horizon. But as darkness began falling, I had to rush back. Not that I was ever afraid of night, but I thought of you fellows. Who would guard you if I were not there?" "It is awfully kind of you, Mr. Tortoise, and we thank you very much," the fish would say, and that would flatter the tortoise very much. The tortoise, however, had two good friends in two swans. The swans, in course of their flight, saw many beautiful places and spoke about them to the tortoise. The tortoise heard them with rapt attention and retold them to the fish, only he never gave out that he had heard them from the swans. One year there was no rain in the area. The water level of the lake came down. It did not cause much of a problem for the fish or the tortoise, of course, but the swans were unhappy. When the water in the lake is less, it appears muddy, and we swans do not like muddy water, they observed. One of the swans proposed, "We better pass more and more time in the large lake beyond the town." The other swan approved the idea. And at once the tortoise said, "I too hate muddy water. Take me to the large lake along with you." "But how can that be possible? The lake beyond the town is rather far from this place. First, you have to cross the forest. While doing that, you might be nabbed by a wolf or even jackal. Then you have to cross the town, where they quite relish the meat of a tortoise," pointed out the swans. The tortoise laughed and said, "What appears so difficult to you is as simple as the water to me. Both of you can fly holding two ends of a stick in your beaks. I will hang on from the middle of the stick by holding it in my mouth. Is that not a nice solution to the problem?" "It is, provided you do not try to speak while we fly," said the swans. "I will not speak until we reach the new place," assured the tortoise. The proposal was soon put into execution. The swans rose to the sky, carrying the tortoise by the help of the stick. They crossed the forest and flew over the town. Some boys who were flying kites saw the flying tortoise first. They shouted with amazement. Soon the whole town's eyes were raised upward to the sky. "What a strange sight!" cried many as they tried to keep pace with the swans running breathlessly. Some even raised tall bamboo in a bid to bring down the tortoise. As the hullabaloo gathered volume, the tortoise became angry. He wished to shout, "Shut up!" and opened his mouth. Next moment, he found himself coming down at terrific speed. The swans shrieked, but that only resulted in the stick too following the tortoise. The tortoise fell on the ground and was instantly dead. The man who picked it up sold it to the king for a high price, for it was a tortoise which fell from the sky. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, Subscribe to our channel and let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.